Alright, I've got the old radio out. I started it up, everything worked fine without the radio in. Turned the car off, hooked up the new radio, 2 connectors, the 40 pin, the 20 pin, the gray radio connector. Ready to fire it up, test it out. Here's what happens. Press the brake. Everything looks like the car has come on, but I don't have any actual ignition on the engine. Radio comes up. I can hear it out of all the speakers. Everything's fine. The AC works. Well, the AC itself is not on because the car's not on, but the fan works, the controls. Here to change the fan. They're turning the fan speed up. Those are functioning correctly. You can turn it off. But not only will it not start, but will not turn off either. Not unless I go pull the battery cable. So go figure. I think it's something to do with the harness or something, I don't know. But I guess I'll be taking it back out for now.